too.
OK. Now, Sarah, may we ask you what your knowledge of the stars in the night sky is? I personally could show you the plough and nothing else.
Somebody's belt. What's that?
That's Orion's belt.
Oh, that's him.
I know of its existence. I couldn't point you at it.
But, I mean, I've absolutely no idea. When people talk about it, I don't know what they're talking about.
Well, we've got the very man for you.
Yes,
Really?
oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
To put us all on a sounder footing with the stars, we've got ourselves an astronomer on the One Show, Mark Thompson, who'll soon be giving us pains in our necks from all the stargazing we're doing.
Since ancient times, we've been gazing at the stars. Sailors navigated by them, calendars were set by them, and they were central to our mythology.
There was a time when almost anyone could look up at the night sky and confidently point out the position of the pole star.
But who can do it these days? The modern world seems to have lost interest in the stars and blotted them out with light pollution.
People have lost even a basic knowledge of the night sky.
Now, I think that's a real shame, so I've come to Norwich to find out just how bad it's got.
The star's just up there behind that lamppost. Yeah. Do you know which one it is?
Well, I'm going to say the North Star.
It's not the North Star.
It's part of Orion's belt.
No,
Orion's belt.
totally the wrong time of year. Which planet can we see in the sky tonight?
Mars.
Mercury.
There's not many left.
How many planets are there?
9.
Starts with a J.
Jupiter.
Fantastic. You were guessing though, weren't you?
No.
What about the Earth? How long does it take the Earth to go around the Sun?
Oh, come on, you're at school.
You at school?
Well,
you should know this stuff. Oh, college, you should know this stuff then. No idea how long it takes.
Well, as it's the International Year of Astronomy, I'm determined to get people looking up again. So One Show viewers have volunteered to come to a field outside Norwich to learn the ropes. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and we're using special low-light cameras to show you clear images of the night sky.
We've brought you out here so you can actually really appreciate what the stars are like. And as you can see, we've got a fantastic clear sky. But what we're going to do is we're going to start off by pointing out some really prominent, easy-to-find constellations. So we're going to start off with the easiest one of all, and that's the Plough. Now, do any of you know how to find that? No.
Not the faintest.
No. I've got this laser pointer, which as you can see, I can point nicely at the constellation of the Plough, and it's like a saucepan with a bent handle. That's the handle shape there. Yeah. Now, that was really important in ancient times. Navigators used that to find the pole star. If you take the 2 stars at the very end of the Plough, and if you follow those 2 stars all the way up to that star, it's the pole star. I mean, we can always use that star to find where north is because it always lies due north from wherever you are in the north.
So it's not the North Star then?
It is the North Star.
Oh, it is. So it's called the pole.
It's called the pole star, it's called the North Star, and it's called Polaris as well. It's got 3 different names.
Oh, wow.
Straight overhead we've got Vega. If we drop down over to here, that star is Altair in Aquila, and then right up here is a star called Deneb in Cygnus. Now those 3 stars, Deneb, Altair and Vega, make up something called Summer Triangle. Those 3 constellations you can only see this time of year. And then stretching right the way through the middle is the Milky Way. It's our home galaxy. Just over towards the east, you can now see Jupiter nice and
that's very clear
it's
now.
nice and clear.
Just in time for us.
It's 400 years since Galileo observed that Jupiter had 4 moons orbiting it. This was to change our understanding, as it proved that celestial bodies invisible to the naked eye existed, and that Earth played a much less significant role in the universe than we'd thought.
If we then move up, we're actually in the constellation of Andromeda, and just about there is the Andromeda Galaxy, with about 1 trillion stars.
In 1961, Dr. Frank Drake came up with the Drake equation, which he used to estimate that there could be 17,000 other civilizations in our galaxy.
But then, of course, if you take that even larger, the universe is full of billions of galaxies. So there is actually a very real chance that there's
quite
life
probable
out there somewhere. Absolutely.
Yeah.
How does it make you feel being out here under the stars?
Pretty small.
Yeah.
And the realisation that this is infinite.
And we're only just seeing a tiny portion of it.
As we move through our daily lives, it's very easy to get caught up in the unimportant details that the modern world throws at us. But if we stop and look up at the stars, it makes us realise that we're part of something that's unimaginably vast and something that's truly beautiful. And that's why stars still matter.
really like that. I'm interested
Fantastic.
in that.
Mark, I'm looking for the pole star tonight.
Yes, OK.
I'm not going out, I'm sitting at home looking for that pole star.
Well, Mark's given us his pick of the best astronomy links for home stargazers everywhere, so you can go to our website to find out those, bbc.co.uk/The1Show.
And his hot tip for August is to look at north in the sky at around midnight, August the 12th being the best day. You could well witness this, a right shower. It's the Perseid meteor shower. Find somewhere dark, flat, not too mountainous, and you should see, how many shooting stars?
75 shooting stars per hour, apparently. That's really impressive.
It is. Get out there, folks.
Do you like shooting stars, Sarah?
Yes, love it. Yes. I'm absolutely transfixed in this show. I'm learning so much.
Yes.
Alcohol, stars. Yeah. How much longer we got?
I know, we're not even halfway through yet.
It's a lot to take in.
I know. It's fantastic.